Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So we are again back with two good startups, and we will be discussing about the placement and about the packages in this video. So stay tuned. So the very first company is Redbus. You all might be using it to book your buses, and it is also hiring on re-level. So you will be reporting, and your position will be as a team leader, and the job location will be Bangalore. So what will be the role? The role will be sales at Redbus bus hiring. Now, what will be your responsibilities? Understanding the customer's need and providing appropriate products. Provide accurate, validate, and complete information using the right methods and tools. Build sustainable relationship and trust with customers through open and interactive communications. Also, the salary might be ranging from 3.5 to 6 LPA. Key skills you should be having a minimum of 2 years of experience in e-commerce sale. Next job is from Bisleri. The role title will be executive corporate, and you will be working under a branch manager or sales manager. Everyone know what Bisleri is. They sell packed water. Now the key responsibilities are the area business planning, sales planning and operations, operational excellence, and people management. And the key interaction points will be external interaction and internal interaction. External interaction is with the logistic vendors and co-packers and the key partners with the Bisleri. Also, the job specification is you should be a graduate from diploma or MBA or equivalent experience in sales and marketing. So they are looking for people who are having 2 to 5 years of experience or 2 plus years in the similar position. So how you can apply for these jobs and get this job through re-level, we'll see up next. You can get your dream job within 15 days with over 15 plus LPA, and that too with a free test only. So this is what re-level offers. Re-level offers 300 plus job opportunities from over 50 plus companies. To register for re-level, you just need to register for the test, take the test with your time slot. Then after you clear the test with 700 plus marks, you need to interview with the employee, then accept the offer. There are some finest companies here like Grad, Urban Clap, 1MG, Mishu, Paytm, CureFit, etc. Now talking about the test, there are five different type of tests, in which two are of business test and three are technical test. Let's suppose we are going with the backend development test. So on the right hand side, you can see all the details related to the test. The test will be in two phases, and to clear the first test, you need 150, and both the phases you need 700 plus marks. So that companies will contact you, and higher the score, more the companies will contact you. Now here you can see the syllabus, code of conduct, and instructions for the same. If you have any more FAQs, there are some here listed up. After you select whichever test that you want to give, click on book your slot and just sign up with your mobile number. Once you are logging into your account, you just need to select the date you want to give the test. Let's suppose we have taken November 27, then press next. And your slot has been booked successfully. You will see an admit card here which you can download. Also, you can watch the instructions, take the practice sample test, and after that you can go for the final test. Also, there are people who have got more than 700 plus score, and you can watch their videos too. There is also a leaderboard which is maintained monthly. You can come here in the practice section and take the test, mock test that you want. There are also sample papers available too.
Still unsure about taking the test? So find all the people who took the re-level test with their re-level achievers Twitter handle and see for yourself. There are many more students like you who registered on re-level and scored more than 700 and got placed in top companies in India, and you can be a part of this